How to log in MBNA credit card online. Hey everybody, this side Nina from Create Login Delete. So today, without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar type in mbna.co.uk and click on enter. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, go ahead and click on login on your top right. You will land onto this page. Now enter your username. Likewise, enter your password at this box. If you would like to recheck your password, click on to show and it will show you your password. If you want to save your username, then click on remember my username box. Likewise, go ahead and click on continue. In case you have forgotten your login details, click on to forgotten your login details and get help resetting your account. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.